Eunice Kennedy Shriver National Institute of Child Health and Human Development. The Eunice Kennedy Shriver National Institute of Child Health and Human Development NISHD is one of the National Institutes of Health NIH in the United States Department of Health and Human Services. It supports and conducts research aimed at improving the health of children, adults, families, and communities, including reducing infant deaths, promoting healthy pregnancy and childbirth, investigating growth and human development, examining problems of birth defects and intellectual and developmental disabilities, understanding reproductive health, enhancing function across the lifespan through rehabilitation research. History. The impetus for NISHD came from the Task Force on the Health and Well-Being of Children, convened in 1961 and led by Dr. Robert E. Cook, a senior medical advisor, President John F. Kennedy. Eunice Kennedy Shriver also served on the task force. The U.S. Congress established NISHD in 1962 as the first NIH institute to focus on the entire life process rather than on a specific disease or body system. NISHD became a funding source for research on birth defects and intellectual and developmental disabilities. IDD created a new pediatrics specialty and established IDD as a field of research. The institute also focused on the idea that adult health has its origins in early development and that behavior. Mission. The mission of NISHD is to ensure that every person is born healthy and wanted, that women suffer no harmful effects from reproductive processes, and that all children have the chance to achieve their full potential for healthy and productive lives, free from disease or disability, and to ensure the health, productivity, independence, and well-being of all people through optimal rehabilitation. Operation. As of November 2016, the director of NISHD is Diana W. Bianchi. NISHD's budget in 2015 was an estimated $1.03 billion, which supported research at institutions, universities, and organizations throughout the world, as well as research conducted by NISHD scientists on the NIH campus in Bethesda, MD, and at other facilities. Components. Office of the Director, Division of Extramural Research, Child Development and Behavior Branch, Contraceptive Discovery and Development Branch, Developmental Biology and Structural Variation Branch, Fertility and Infertility Branch, Gynecologic Health and Disease Branch, Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities Branch, Maternal and Pediatric Infectious Disease Branch, Obstetric and Pediatric Pharmacology and Therapeutics Branch, Pediatric Growth and Nutrition Branch, Pediatric Trauma and Critical Illness Branch, Population Dynamics Branch, Pregnancy and Perinatology Branch, National Center for Medical Rehabilitation Research, Division of Intramural Population Health Research, Biostatistics and Bioinformatics Branch, Epidemiology Branch, Health Behavior Branch, Division of Intramural Research, Office of the Scientific Director, Scientific Affinity Groups, Aquatic Models of Human Development, Basic Mechanisms of Genome Regulation, Behavioral Determinants and Developmental Imaging, Bone and Matrix Biology and Development and Disease, Cell and Structural Biology, Cell Regulation and Development, Developmental Endocrine Oncology and Genetics, Genetics and Epigenetics of Development, Integrative Membrane, Cell and Tissue Pathophysiology, metals biology and molecular medicine, neurosciences, pediatric endocrinology, metabolism, and molecular genetics. Perinatal and obstetrical research, reproductive endocrine and gynecology. Notable accomplishments. ISHT has made numerous contributions to improving the health of children, adults, families, and communities. Selected research advances from 2015 include improving the health of infants born preterm, encouraging healthy behaviors, and optimizing rehabilitation. Notes and references.